Hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We still have the smoky skies in the area today, but a cold front coming through late tomorrow probably will scour that smoke out. Maybe we'll get, sometimes they describe it as a smoky smell to the rain coming down because it's coming down through that smoke layer and bringing it down. And the showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, the thunderstorms specifically, do have the chance of being severe. I'll look at that here with you in just a second. Let's get to it and show you, first off, the smoky skies over Michigan. You can see them. The sunrise this morning, very smoky, and it's actually having an effect on our temperature. I think whatever you see as a forecast, you probably better lower it by about 3 to 5 degrees today, because that's exactly what happened yesterday. All right, now here is the severe weather forecast. This is tomorrow. This is tomorrow afternoon and evening, and this is the highest we've been as far as the severe weather chance this year. Slight chance, and again, it kind of feels like, well, the Storm Prediction Center has maybe gotten a little bit liberal with the forecasting of severe weather once they've gone down to the 5% and the 2% chances of severe weather. But this is where you're looking at the possibility of severe weather tomorrow. Thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms, but the Storm Prediction Center also mentions that over in this part of the UP, there will be enough shear for the possibility of tornadoes tomorrow afternoon and evening. So we'll just keep an eye on that. But today is just simply a gorgeous day. The smoke will probably thin some, and you'll have a hazy sunshine. This is the radar forecast through today, and nothing going on. I'm sorry, I used the word liberal, somebody mentions. Okay, so tonight is great. Tomorrow, this is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Here's the cold front out here, and ahead of the cold front, 2 p.m., the scattered thunderstorms start to pop up. 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 8 p.m., 11 p.m. So in the afternoon and evening is when this cold front is going to start to move through. Hey, good morning, Rosalinda Harris. Good morning, Mike Joy. Smoky in Williamston. Sam Michaels. Hey, good morning to you also. Hats off to the Euro. Yes, the Euro continues to be the model of choice. Nick Russo, what's the outlook for hurricane season for Florida? Water's very, very warm in the Gulf. The other side of that is we have a weak El Nino going, and that produces shear and can knock hurricanes down. So this is Thursday morning. The cold front is through. The winds go back to the north. Maybe we get rid of the smoke for a couple of days and we cool off a touch. Today, again, these are forecasted high temperatures from the National Weather Service. I'd probably cut them down by about 3 or so. Good morning, Jeff Joy and Karen from Pawpaw. This is tomorrow. Tomorrow's a warm one. We'll call it mid to upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Ahead of the cold front, humidity will grow also, increase. Then Thursday, the cold front is through, still warm in the far southeast in Detroit and Ann Arbor, Livonia, but cooler back to the northwest, as cool as 73 in Traverse City and 70s in the UP. Then we go to Friday, simply a gorgeous day. Make this a 4-day work week if you can. Saturday, we're back into the mid to upper 80s, and Sunday and Monday, we're back to the upper 80s to near 90. So we are definitely into a very warm pattern. I wouldn't really call it a hot pattern. I think we call hot here in Michigan at this time of the year 92 to 95 degrees, over 90, something like that. We'll probably have a few days next week that hit over 90 in the southern half of lower Michigan. So it's definitely a summery pattern. Not a whole lot of rain in this as far as time periods of rainfall. Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and then again maybe quickly sometime on the weekend, but it would just be a quick blow-through type thunderstorm. So the weather pattern, the storm pattern, has definitely changed to more of a summer feel where it's a hit and miss kind of thing. Starting to drive to Texas tomorrow morning. Best route? I don't think you have any real issues, although there is a tropical depression or possibly a tropical storm forming that's going to hit the Gulf Coast in a few days from now, so you'll want to keep an eye on that for flooding rain potential, but otherwise you're in pretty good shape. Yes, wearing the appropriate shirt, I needed it. It was warm out already, I thought, this morning. So there you have it. Today's a great day. Tomorrow the storms build in the afternoon and evening. Possibility of severe weather. I'll keep you updated on that. And a little cooler after that on Thursday. And it looks like very summery heading into the weekend. Thanks for joining me this morning on the MLive Morning Weather Update. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Have yourselves a great Tuesday.